This is Andrew Stotz of Stotz Investment Research. Today I'm going to talk about the Malaysia Equity FVMR Snapshot. FVMR is the way I look at the market, and you can see fundamentals, valuation, momentum, and risk. And this summary page gives me the breakdown on different markets around the world. But today we're going to look at Malaysia. And what you can see in the top line of this document is the world. So the first thing that we can see from this is that low ROE relative to the world is the situation for Malaysia. So 2017 analysts are forecasting ROE of 9.6 for Malaysia versus 12.7 for the world. Now if we go down the list and we look at all the sectors, we can see that the telecoms has got the highest amount of profitability at 17.1% ROE. Now the next thing that we can see from this is that Malaysia looks expensive on a PE basis given the low return. So PE right now for 2017 is about 16.6. Now on a price to book basis, it looks a little bit more attractive, down at 1.6 versus the world's 2.1. But again, the low returns make it possibly only worth that 1.6. In fact, the markets are pretty efficient. The next thing is earnings and price momentum. And in both cases, we can see that they're both low. The expected change by analysts in EPS is about 1.2 for 2017. And for price, this is just looking at the last 2 weeks or the last year. And we can see that the momentum in the market is very small compared to the rest of the world. Now, the last area that we look at is risks. And that is the good news for Malaysia, is that risk is low. Now, I look at both gearing, the amount of debt that a country has, and this is a sum of all the stocks in this market, and I look at price movements, and we can see in both cases Malaysia is relatively low risk. So there you have it. Now look down and you'll see in the notes that if you want to get this Malaysia FVMR Equity FVMR Snapshot, all you have to do is go to becomeabetterinvestor.net/FVMR-snapshots, and you'll be able to click on that and you can receive this every single week. Have a great day.